Hello everybody, this is Solly from First News Alive. So actually I'm making this video to help others understand C++ in a very simple and basic way. And by the way, just please pardon my English because I'm not a native English speaker. If you have any question or concern, please feel free to write on the comment section below. And please don't be so harsh. So let's start. This is my first video, by the way. The topic I want to talk about is C++ because C++ is a powerful programming language. It is a general purpose OOP or object-oriented programming language. C++ is also considered as a middle level programming language. It is composed of high-level language and low-level language with all significant abilities and quantity. Even if you're unaware of, CPP is the most common programming language that our gadgets are running today. So even big companies and websites like Facebook, Google, IBM, Microsoft, and others are using C++. Even games are running through C++, most of the game. So okay, I guess that's enough for it. Let's start coding. In order for us to write our first program, we will be using a text editor. Now there are so many text editor that you can find online, but mine, I'm using the code block text editor, and at the same time it's also a compiler, so that after I finish writing my codes, I can compile them to get my program running. So as you can see, this is my text editor. Text editor is simply the place where you can write your codes or instructions. And a compiler is the one that converts your source code or simply the codes you've made into a machine language so that your computer knows what you wanted it to do. Okay, so you can download this code block online. This is a free application and it's also easy to use. So once you run or install the program and run it, this is how it looks like. This is the interface and this is the logo that you will see. So as you can see right now, it's empty. Nothing is, I never create anything yet here. So I'm gonna start. I'm going to create a new empty file, and I love saving my work first before I'm going to start coding. So let's save. You can do Control S to save, or you can just go here and hit save as or save file whatsoever. I already created a folder on my desktop and I named that practice C++. So on this first program, I'm gonna name this hello.cpp. Don't forget to put the extension .cpp. And by the way, you can name your program, your first program, any name you like to name it, whatever. But just make sure you're using the .cpp as an extension when you save your program because you're working with C++. Okay, it's different if you're working with C or Java or whatsoever it is. But this time you're using C++ and make sure that the extension is C++.cpp or simply .c++. So I'm gonna save this and it is saved successfully. I'm gonna put a comment first. Okay, so this program will output hello world. So I'll write the comment to tell the programmer of what was this program all about. So I'm gonna start coding. I'm gonna use hashtag include IOStream. So I'm gonna use IOStream and using namespace std int main braces return 0 and cout hello world. Hello world. So as you can see, this is just a very simple program. What will this program do is it will go to output the hello world on your desktop when you run the program. Okay, so this one here at the top, this is just simply a comment the compiler will go on to ignore this one because this is not part of the program. This is only for the programmer to provide information to him or her that this is what the program is all about. Whatever you put here, this is just a comment section. Once you enclose your statement with this kind of symbol, the slash and the star, and the other end is star and the slash, then it will be considered as a comment. So this part here, this hashtag or number sign include IO stream, that is, this is the part, this part is called the preprocessor. So it's a type of command that instruct compiler to include the IO stream file. So this file. So it's just a simple command, you know, not really simple, but this is really needed if you're working with C. And the using namespace std, you really need to use this one because, by the way, this is very often when you're working with C++ again, because this is where all the elements of C++ library are declared, and what is called the namespace with the name std. So to access all the functionalities of the using namespace std, we're using or we're declaring this kind of expression using namespace std, so that we can get access to all the entities that are in here. So there are so many functions, by the way, that you can make here in C++, but with all this function you must have at least one main function. You should with the name main on it, okay? Whatever function it is, you need to make sure that you have one main function named main, just to serve as the main program or the main function of your program. So this one here, this is the braces. It includes or encloses all the codes or whatever codes you have in this function. And the cout is a part of a library function that prints out output on your screen. So the output that we're going to bring up on the screen is this hello world. You need to make it sure that you enclose it with this one. I forgot the name of this one. Yeah, just make it sure that you enclose it with a quotation mark, double quotation mark. Alright, I'm not sure what's the name of this. It's so what a shame of me that you know it. Anyway, so this is the syntax. By the way, you can also whatever you want to output on your screen, doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna change this to first new to life or hello, whatever. And you need to don't forget to put the semicolon here at the last part because it means that's the end of your statements that you are writing. So as you can see here, this return 0 will return the value 0 on your operating system, which means your program is successfully executed. Okay, now to run this program, you can, as you can see here on the top, you can do it one by one. You can build first if you feel comfortable of doing it first, then run, or you can do it all at once by just clicking build and run all together. So let's wait. It's running right now. See, it was successfully executed. So our program is successful. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified once I uploaded another video tutorial the next time. So if you have question or concern, just please write down just write on the comment section below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.